Everybody, in this week's episode, we're talking about tinting your Airstream windows. Join me. Hey, there's also a giveaway in this video. Stay tuned to the end to find out what you can win. This is Steve. And Steve, tell us about your business and what you do and that kind of thing.
Yeah, so my business is TNT Glass Tinning. We're located in Denver, North Carolina, just about 40 minutes north of Charlotte.
Yeah.
We do window tinting on automotive, residential, commercial. If it has glass, we can probably tint it. We do paint protection films, and we do ceramic coatings.
Cool.
And we've been here since 2010.
Yeah.
So we definitely have the experience doing some stuff. Challenging stuff is always fun.
Okay.
So I always up for a challenge.
Accepted the challenge as well. That's pretty great.
And then we have a couple guys that were in this install too, JT and Ryan.
Yeah, that's great.
And we just try to do the right thing.
Yeah, so I appreciate you and I appreciate your team. I came by here a couple of days ago to get an inspection done, and everybody that I've met here is really fantastic. Plenty of room to get in here with a rig, but I love it. So if you are an Airstreamer and you're in the greater Charlotte, North Carolina area or happen to be passing through here to get this done, please reach out to them because they did an awesome job. And it's the ceramic heat rejections. I say this all the time because we sit here and like to have the windows open and get blasted with heat when it's sunny. But I'm grateful for you, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Grateful for awesome humans. I love what you got. I love what you got going on here. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.
Hey, everybody. I just want to follow up real quick. I've had the tent on for 6 weeks now, maybe 7 weeks, something like that. Pretty close to it. Been very, very happy with it. Spot that another friend of ours got their windows done in California, Vista, California. Put it here on the screen because I can't remember the name of it right now. But if you live out there, you can have it done. They did a good job. One thing I want to tell you, if you go to a place to have it done, typically they're going to put the tent on the outside of the window here and they're going to cut it based on that. These back corner windows, they need to cut it as low as the rivets are, not here at the edge, because the window on the inside goes down to about right there. And up top, it's the same thing. Up top, it goes up to about right here. Don't cut it here. So cut it larger than the window, because the glass on the inside where they're actually going to put it is a little bigger than the window on the outside. But I've been very happy with this. I wish Airstream would just do this straight off the bat. If you don't have it done yet, and particularly if you have a rear bed or you have a bedroom back here with the windows, wraparound windows now and not the closets on the side, I think it's something that's really nice to have and really neat to have. So highly recommend it. And again, we put 20% ceramic tint on the back 3 windows and our 2 little windows over here. So those 2 top windows up there also have the 20% on it. Every other window is pretty close. Like we could have added tint to the other windows around the trailer, but from the outside, it's really hard to tell. And from the inside, it's also really hard to tell, except in certain light situations. But it has reduced the amount of light coming in because in this particular park, every day the sun comes up over here, beams right in these back windows, and it's made a huge difference. And the glare, I can sit and work on my computer. The TV doesn't get drowned out as much anymore. So very happy with it. Highly recommend it if that's something you're looking to do. Like always, if you have a question about this or anything else we've ever done, please reach out to us via the Contact Us link on our website. Love you all. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye. All right, the giveaway this week is for Starlink Mini lovers and owners. I have this battery bank right here from Picto. I did a review video on this thing a while back, and I've checked it out a number of times since then. Still enjoy it, still like it, and I want you to have one. If you have a Starlink Mini and you would like to use it without plugging it in somewhere, this battery's for you. So all you have to do to enter to win this is go to our website, 13adventures.com. Over on the side, click on the Contact Us link. Type in your name, email address, please make sure you spell it correctly, Picto Starlink Mini battery. Pick a winner 72 hours after this video releases, and I will email the winner and let them know they've won and send it out. I'll announce that winner across all social media channels and YouTube on the winning days, 72 hours after this video releases. So you got to enter between those 2 times. So